Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Dear students, the topic which we are going to take up for today is dialogue completion. Before moving further, let's have a look at the learning outcomes, means what you will be able to do after completing this topic. So, after completion of the topic, you will be able to compose dialogues according to the given conversation. Means you will be able to write dialogues according to the text or the conversation given in the particular passage. Secondly, you will be able to order the sequence of the events mentioned in the composition. Means you will be able to put the events mentioned in a composition in a proper order. First of all, let's try to know what is dialogue completion. Dialogue completion is a kind of task in which two or more than two speakers are involved in a conversation. But some dialogues are deliberately omitted, which are required to be completed, and that is why it is named as dialogue completion. This task can be done both in oral as well as written form. Sometimes students make contextual as well as grammatical mistakes while attempting a dialogue completion. So, to avoid those mistakes, here are certain steps which you need to follow. First of all, read the conversation in one go to know the main idea of the passage. Means you need not to start filling or writing the dialogues as soon as you come across the passage. First of all, you need to go through the conversation thoroughly. Secondly, concentrate on the dialogue before and after the omitted dialogue and then decide about the best possible answer. Means wherever it is a blank where the dialogue is to be supplied, so you need to go through the dialogues before and after the blank carefully. Only then you will be able to supply a suitable answer. Here is an example wherein you can see that there are two dialogues before and after the blank. So if you will be going through those two dialogues properly, only then you will be able to give a proper answer. Uh, like here, the best possible answer is what happened to you. Because if somebody will be saying that I'm not well today, so you will certainly be asking that what happened. Step for attempting a dialogue completion is that you need to be very careful to see if the dialogue before or after the blank is in the form of a question or a statement so that you can answer accordingly. Finally, while writing your answer, make sure to use the same tense which is used in the dialogue on the base of which you are completing the omitted dialogue. Because sometimes what happens, the question is asked in present or any particular tense, but the answer is given in a different tense, so that doesn't make a sense. So you need to be very careful regarding this aspect. Here is a proper exercise for dialogue completion. Let's go through the conversation in which there are two speakers, Sanya and Tina. Sanya says, I have sent out the invitations for the dinner party. Tina, that's good. Now, and then there is a blank before the question mark at the end. Sanya, we have got to plan the menu. Tina, oh, that's right. Do you have anything in mind? Sanya, I think, then there is a blank. We had at Domino's last time. Remember, I asked the chef for the recipe? Tina, yeah, but then there is a blank and a question mark at the end. Sanya, Mona, oh my gosh, I forgot to invite her. So, through this conversation, we can clearly figure out that a dinner party, is being planned out by two friends. So, what can be the best possible answers according to the dialogues before and after the blanks? Uh, and these are, first one is what are we doing, and the answer for the second blank will be I am going to make pasta, because in the immediate next sentence she is saying that we had tried it at Domino's and it was really fabulous, as she asked for the recipe over there from the chef. And the third answer is you are forgetting that Mona didn't eat. That's why she was startled, she was surprised that she had forgotten Mona. So, in this way, we have to uh, reach to the conclusion that what can be the best possible answers. Accordingly, we have to write the dialogues. Thank you, student. That's all at my end for this topic. And I am sure that the learning outcomes set at the very beginning must have been realized by you, as now you are able to compose or write dialogues on your own, and secondly, you are also able to order the sequence or events mentioned in the composition. For the purpose of additional practice, an activity sheet is being sent along with this video, so attempt it well and get the feedback from your teachers. Once again, thank you.